Welcome to Buildra. In this video, you'll see how a woman builds a house entirely out of styrofoam. The build begins with string stretched across the ground and secured to stakes. With determination, the soil is cleared away, and a wheelbarrow is used to haul it off, making room for a solid base. Step by step, the ground is prepared, setting the stage for the styrofoam house construction to begin. The foundation begins to take shape as large styrofoam panels are carefully set into place, marking the base of the structure. The first wall layer begins to take shape as the styrofoam panels are carefully positioned on the foundation. She carefully applies adhesive foam along the edge of the styrofoam panel, ensuring a strong bond for the next row. She begins cementing the outside surface, carefully applying a smooth coat to strengthen and seal the styrofoam panels. Next, a blue reinforcement mesh is pressed into the fresh cement, ensuring the coating bonds securely while preventing cracks. She now begins setting up the third layer of styrofoam panels. Each piece is carefully aligned and secured, gradually raising the walls higher. She begins sealing the outer surface. Using a trowel, she spreads cement evenly over the wall, ensuring durability and weather resistance. With precision and patience, she aligns the new panel, making sure it fits securely against the layers below. It's time to add windows to the structure. A wooden frame is carefully positioned and secured into the opening, making sure it sits level and tight. Inside the structure, she begins working on the upper edge of the wall. This step strengthens the frame and prepares the walls for the next stage of construction. Roof panels are cut and prepared on the ground. Using tools, the builder shapes each piece to match the frame of the house, creating custom sections that will fit perfectly once lifted into place. The roof structure begins to take shape as panels of styrofoam are carefully placed on top of the walls. Each section is measured and adjusted to fit securely, forming the pitched design of the house. With precision and patience, the roof is pieced together, ensuring stability and alignment. She carefully applies a layer of cement over the styrofoam surface, ensuring the roof is both durable and weather-resistant. To reinforce it further, a blue mesh is laid across the roof, providing additional structure and helping the cement bond securely. The roof is almost complete. The final step is spraying on a protective coat, strengthening the surface and ensuring the roof can withstand the elements for years to come. A door frame is carefully installed at the entrance, giving structure and stability to the opening. This step ensures that the doorway will be properly aligned and ready to support the door, adding both strength and a clean finish to the build. They begin installing the foam doors, carefully fitting them into the framed openings of the house. These lightweight yet sturdy doors provide insulation while maintaining the simplicity of the styrofoam structure. With precise alignment and secure placement, the doors complete another important step in making the house functional and enclosed. A layer of cement is carefully spread across the door surface, adding both durability and stability. To ensure extra reinforcement, a mesh is applied over the cement, binding it tightly to the foam structure. With the walls fully cemented, she moves on to the final stage of sealing. Using a sprayer, she carefully coats the entire house, ensuring every surface is evenly covered. This protective layer strengthens the walls, adds durability, and shields the structure from weather damage. Inside the house, she turns her attention to the ceiling. With steady hands, she carefully applies cement to the roof panels, making sure every section is sealed and reinforced. With the cementing work on the ceiling complete, she begins the finishing touch by painting it white. The fresh coat of paint brightens the interior, giving the space a clean and polished look while sealing the surface for durability. The next step in the build focuses on the flooring. Large wooden panels are carefully measured and carried into place, forming the sturdy base of the house. These panels will serve as the foundation for the interior floor, providing both strength and a smooth surface for the rooms to be built upon. Inside the house, she begins painting the interior walls a calming shade of blue. The house is finally complete. From laying the foundation to raising the walls, cementing, and adding the finishing touches, every step has come together to create a strong and livable home. What once started as simple styrofoam panels has now transformed into a fully built structure. Thank you for watching this build from start to finish. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Buildra for more unique builds and inspiring creations.